is Elisa from AMAZ.
Hello, this is here from AMAZ. Nice to meet you.
And Hillary, who is your dream lover?
Wow, maybe Superman.
Why Superman?
Because he always come to when I need, and you know, girls always feel sense of security.
Wow, yeah. So today maybe I want to show you our AMAZ Superman.
Wow, so good. So wonderful. If I fall in love with this Superman, could you give me one as gift?
No problem. If you really like it, if you really feel in love with it. And of course, also our audience, if you love it, leave a message to us and we will give you a surprise. So don't hesitate to contact us and see our live show. Contact us by WhatsApp or WeChat. We will reply you for more information and best price.
Yes, if you send messages earlier, you will have a VIP sales manager to answer all your questions and give you the best price.
Okay, no problem.
Elisa, could you introduce the functions to us?
Yeah, this AMAZ Superman. These three are same and just the shape and the shape are a little different, but they are all charming ones. And you can see these cases are wooden case, and they are well sealed separately wooden case, which can ensure good sound. And also with this front cabinet, you can see there are all your cated one, and it makes smoothly and shiny, also anti-scratch, make it a high sense of quality. Also, we can see here is a special pattern here, make the front case much more charming, just like your Superman. Also, we can see the control board is very excellent design for this one. Here we can see a big volume rotating control. Also, we have bass, treble, microphone volume. Also, we have echo, which are also all very big ones to control. Also, we have this light, LED light turn on and turn off. It's repeat, recording, microphone priority. Also, the mode change, which can change the mode from Bluetooth. Also, we can from FM radio and STF card, etc. This is a play and pause. This is the previous and next. Also, you can see here are two microphone input, which can make you connected to wild microphone or guitar input. Also, you can connect this with other instruments.
Very good.
Yeah, here is also special ones for the two USB. You can see usually normal ones have only one USB, but this model we have two USB. One is for the USB.
Another one?
Yeah, another one is which can charge your mobile while the USB wire. Yeah, so this is a very new design, and this is very convenient for your daily use. Yeah. Also, you can see here is a special design here. Do you know what is this?
I guess. Pay my money here.
Maybe when you go outside and you will sing a song, then somebody give you. But this we design this for phone holder. If you can put your mobile phone here, and you can display what you want to see, like a movie or some songs. You can see the song, how to sing the song. So it is much more convenient for you to display. Yeah.
Wow, so it's a really nice speaker.
Yeah.
I love this place anywhere and party now, you know.
Yeah, really. It's really full function, and I think it can make you happy anytime. Yeah.
And now I know why it's called AMAZ Superman. It's really full functions and make us feel so happy.
Yeah, exactly.
Elisa, I don't know. So what's the solution of this speaker?
Yeah, this is 3 as now is the same solution, but we can support OEM. You can do different solutions, but for now the sample solution is 7.4 volts, and there are 2 cell batteries for rechargeable battery, and this can support about 3 to 4 hours playing after full charging.
Oh, very good. So long time displaying time.
Yes.
Could you please display the sounds to us?
No
We want to
problem.
hear
The sound is very good. I will show you. Yeah, I think this sounds very good and make you can have a party anytime.
Yeah.
Make you happy?
We're so happy. I'm on the moon.
Yeah, now since these are new speaker in market and the customer can buy, you can buy this model. On the one hand, you can sell in good price, less competition. On the other hand, you can take it as your private models. The first customers from one country who buy this model, we will supply you inclusive for at least 6 months for you to try the market.
Good. Oh wow, that's so great and wonderful. Without any hesitations, first comers serve the first best. Waiting for your order.
Yeah, waiting for your order. If you like it, don't miss it.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah.
So what's your MOQs for this model?
Yeah, now the MOQ is 200 pieces. If you want OEM color, MOQ is 140 HQ. We can do OEM like the different design and different color. This is red now. Also, this is red and this is a special pattern. All of these from the case we can do OEM. And also the solution we can do OEM.
Wow, I have fallen in love with Supermans. Now I want to order 5 containers.
Yeah, if our customer want to place the order, we will be so happy. Okay, now due to the corona epidemic for the past few months, many countries closed the market. But now, since the situation already stable, lots of market reopen, business back already. So you need urgently prepare stock for selling. Time is money. Hurry up.
Yes, we open VIP channel for you. Please contact our assistant to get more details and of the product information and good price.
Yes.
Yeah. So when you have any doubts, please contact us and write questions here or at our WhatsApp or WeChat. We will give you answer as soon as possible.
Yes, exactly. And waiting for your contact. AMAZ Group always available for you.
Yeah. I'm here and see you next time.
Yeah, see you. I'm Elisa and waiting for your feedback. Thank you. Bye-bye.